number 1. Parbo now goes inside. Grab pass. Number 4. Cortado. Under the basket. Steal. Sertenya. Battles the whistle. Traveling violation. Indiana. They bring the ball to Indiana. To Morelia. Steal. Tantoko. Number 41. Right. Flutter. No good. Top by Cortado. Indiana. Number 0. Running on the floor. Indiana. Side step. Using the board. Basket. No good. Command by Parbo number 1. Parbo. Running on the floor. Layout. No good. Battles the whistle. Morelia to Indiana, number 0, dribbling the ball. Screen by Malinay. Indiana now dribbling the ball again for Stormy. Got the ball by Malina. Screen by Secreto. Cross the lane. Pardo, pick and tap. No good. Rebound by Malinay, number 0, number 12. To Indiana. 6 minutes and 54. Morelia for inbounding the ball to Indiana. Number 0. Battles the whistle. All by jersey number Sertenya number 3. First foul and first for the team. Indiana number 0. Aston Malinay number 12. Malinay dribbling the ball. Malinay to Battles the whistle. Dapat anong tawag doon? Ang tawag? Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. 6 minutes and 43. Seconds remaining time. Second period. Number 4 to number 1, Parbo. Parbo number 4, harassed by Malinay. Number 12, screened by Cortado. Pass for 3. Bingo. Parbo, 4-3. Wala ng block. Indiana, number 0, behind the back. Indiana, number 0, side step, and up, basket. Good point to pass by Indiana, number 0. Chest pass, Tantoko to number 1, Parbo. Parbo na dribbling the ball. Parbo. No good. Rebound by Laredo. Same ball. Secreto out. Substitution. Lorenzo number 11 coming in. Tantoko number 41 and number 11. Number 41 to number 3, Sertenya. Number 3, looking for stay made, 4-2. Tantoko. No good. Rebound by Laredo, number 98, Pulido. Indiana. Pass to Malinay. No shot, no good. Put back, Battles the whistle. Wow. Alba jersey number 3 awarded by the referee, first video by Indiana. First free throw, no good. Second free throw. Second free throw by Indiana. No good. Rebound by number 41, Tantoko. Tantoko na ang dribbling the ball and crossing to the midcourt. Against Malinay. Pass to Sertenya number 3. 4-3. In and out, Pulido in the rebound. So, still by Lorenzo. Lorenzo to Tantoko number 41. Gabon. Muralla to Iliana number 0, signaling the play. Iliana now dribbling the ball, screen by Manayan number 7. Iliana, get inside, down! Rebound by Guzman. Number 12, Iliana, Malina ito Iliana. Butler sa whistle, foul! Spotted naman yan to number 12, Butler sa whistle. Stepping the line. 5 minutes and 9 remaining time. Number 1 to Tantoco, number 41. Back to number 1. Parbo, number 41. Tercia, Tantoco. Good for the boys by Tantoco, number 41. 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Iliana. Dribbling the ball, screen by Manayan, number 7. To Muralla, number 0. Muralla goes inside. Butler division. Basket counted. Basket counted. Oscar Red. Foul by jersey number 41. Tantoco. Second foul, Tantoco number 41 and warning for penalty. Bonus free throw by Muralla number 0. First free throw, no good. Rebound tap by Lorenzo number 11. To Tantoc to number 13, Christian. Crossing to the midcourt, Lorenzo number 11. Back to Christian number 13. Christian, bicycle. Christian number 13, puts it up. The pass, Butler Submission, same ball, 14 second shot clock. Number 13 to Tantoco, turn shot, basket. Good ball to push by Tantoco, number 41. Indiana, number 7, between the ball, behind the back. Indiana now, still, Parbo, number 1. Leia, Parbo, using the board. Rebound by Iliana, Malilay, long pass to number 7. Manayan, get inside. Butler Submission. Oscar Red. Out by jersey number 41, Tantoco, number 41, third foul and warning for penalty. Subdivision. Lorenzo out. Indiana out. Tantoco out. Penalty tayo, penalty. Jersey number 7 to charity shot to be awarded by the referee. First free throw by jersey number 7, Manayan. First free throw by Manayan, short. Second free throw by Manayan, number 7, breaking jumper. Second free throw. Basket, good for 1 point by jersey number 7, Manayan. Christian to number 24. Narito number 24, dribbling the ball to Christian number 13. Screened by Digosman. Harassed by Malilay. Drop pass, number 4. Butler Submission, traveling violation. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time. Number 7 to number 0. Muralla number 0 cross the lane. Muralla goes inside, Butler Submission. Out by jersey number Digosman number 0. Number 0, Digosman. First foul and penalty. Subdivision. Malilay out. Malilay out. Well, the replace number 5, Casabar. First free throw by Muralla, no good. Second free throw by Muralla, number 0. Second free throw by Muralla, number 0. Basket. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. Steal by Moralia. Take off. Bundle sa whistle. Foul. Foul by jersey number 4. Penalty tayo. Borja number 4. First foul number 4. Borja and penalty. First free throw by Moralia. Ini now. Second free throw by Moralia number 7. Now good, big rebound by Borja number 4. Harassed by Mantigue. Get the ball by number 1. To Christian number 13. Goes inside, using the ball. Good for 2 points by Christian. Two minutes and 55. Number 7. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining time. Substitution. For number 24. Cross the lane by number 24. Carrito to number 1. Arbo. Number 1. Number 13. Quisha. Traveling violation. 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time. Number 7 to number 5. Kasabar number 5 dribbling the ball. Screen by Manaya. Kasabar now. Pass to Guzman. Flutter, 4-2, in now. Quisha number 13 in the rebound. To Guzman. Get the ball by number 1, Parbo. Quisha number 13. 10 second shot clock. Turnover. Substitution. Time, number 7 to number 5. Kasabar number 5 dribbling the ball. Kasabar now. To Guzman. Pull up. 4-2. No good. Put back. Laredo. Back. Good defense. To number 5. Same ball. First technique. Kasabar number 5. Crumble the ball. One by Sartena. Quisha. Pass play. Number 4. Layup. Borja. Good for 2 points by Borja number 4. 1 minute and 40. Kasabar number 5. Rushing to the midcourt. Dribbling the ball by number 5. Kasabar. To Mantile. 10 second shot clock. Manaya number 7. Manaya. Battles whistle. 3 seconds violation. 1 minute and 20. Narito to Quisha number 13. Side step. Layup. No good. Big rebound. Number 4. Feed away. Borja. No good. Rebound by Guzman. Manaya number 7. Cross the lane by Manaya number 7. Harassed by Sartena. Feed away. Basket. Number 7. Manaya. 55. Carrito. No good. Put back, battle sa whistle. Foul. Number 4 to Charity shot. First free throw. No good. Second free throw by jersey number 4, Borja. Second free throw by number 4. No good. Head ball. Same ball. 48 seconds, 13 seconds shot clock. Guzman, 45. Using the board, basket, De Guzman, 40. 35. Steal, Serkenya number 3. Serkenya, take off. No good, follow up. De Guzman, feed away. Basket. 25. 20. Pick and roll. Steal, Serkenya, pass break. 13 seconds, 13. 13 seconds, 13. And 5, 4 seconds, 4.